I felt that this was a very good opportunity of forgery case because DOP has become just a shut door for everyone. कितलेय केशी आमी घाली जाल्यार ते तारीख पे तारीख हे कंटिन्यू आसता. तेन्ना हांवें डिसायड केलें RTI घालून हे सगळे डॉक्युमेंट्स आमी काडलेले आसा आनी तातूंत आमकां मेवलें की गोबिया पिंटोन एक कंप्लेंट केल्ली आसा, पंचायतीकूय केल्ली आसा आनी पुलीस स्टेशनारूय केल्ली आसा. पूण तेजे उपरांत फॉलोअप जावना, तिणी विड्रॉ केलें हेल्थ ग्रावंड्सार. पूण हांव तोरी रिक्वेस्ट करता गोबिया पिंटोक बा, जरी तर ते फुडें येवन आमकां एक पावर ऑफ ऑथॉरिटी देखून दिवंक शकता ही प्रोसीड करपाक, जाल्यार शी इज मोस्ट वेलकम. वी आर रेडी बिकॉज दीस इज समथींग वी हॅव टू सेव फॉर आवर फ्युचर जनरेशन. मागता सगळे गोंयकारां लागीं फॉर्ज डॉक्युमेंट्साचेर मातशें तुमी सपोर्ट करा आनी आमकां हेचेर कारवाई करपाक लागून तुमचोय सपोर्ट आमकां जाय.
Today we have already filed a complaint before the Old Goa Police Station for forgery and also cheating with regards to illegal construction of bungalow which is carried out in Old Goa. Therefore, I hope that the police take clear inquiry into it, consider all our documents which we have already submitted now on record, and we have also informed them that if they require any further documents from us, we will assist them in every way possible. We have already given them the forgery that has been committed, the complaint, the previous complaint by the original owner, which shows that she herself has made a complaint stating that it is not my signature. So clearly who has made that signature has to be found out, and how they have used this forged signature and used this document in different government departments and cheated the government authorities to seek permission, and have now demolished a small hut and tried to construct a two-floored illegal bungalow which has to be demolished and has to be taken action against. That's it. In the end, the complainant has given a complaint stating that it has been forged. That is admitted. She cannot proceed with it because she is old. That is the sole reason for her withdrawal. Today we as public people are saying that there is forgery committed. Near the heritage structure, you have constructed an illegal structure which is of 2 floors using those forged signatures, using permissions from those documents. These are all public documents available. The court and the police have all powers to take action against the illegal person, and they do not require the complainant to come and say that it is my signature which is forged, because this can be done by CFSL testing, which departments and scientific proof is now available with the court and with the police also, so they can very well determine if the signature is forged or no. Moment it is forged, it is enough. That is sufficient to try them in the court of law.